Hello everyone! Today in this video, I will show you how to create a support ticket on WhatsApp and how to send a proper message to the Smmyfit team to get fast and instant support. First, open the website. Click on the three-line menu in the top corner. Now tap on the Orders page. Here you can see your order list along with their status. For example, your order can be in progress, processing, completed, canceled, or partial. Each order has a unique order ID, like this one. You need to copy your order ID carefully now. If your order is in progress and you want to contact support, copy that order ID. After that, click on your profile icon. Then tap on the small WhatsApp button. This will redirect you to the official WhatsApp support chat. Now paste your order ID in the chat and clearly type your issue. For example, you can write, "Please speed up my order." Make sure you only send a message when your order is active. If you want to cancel an order, copy the order ID and type, "Cancel this order." The same method applies for refill or refund requests. You can also check the meaning of different statuses, like refill, speed up, cancel, partial, in progress. And processing. Always send clear and short messages with your order ID to get a faster response. That's it. Now you know how to contact support properly and get quick help.